Did you know that you don't need to go to the floor to do strong core exercises? And today I am going to demonstrate 3 powerful exercises, either from the standing position or from a chair. Hello everyone, I am Deborah, welcome. So before we get started, in case you did not know, the core region is the area between your rib cage and your pelvis. And it is your foundation, you guys. It is responsible for our balance, our posture, our stability. So every time you take a step, it's your core. When you stand, it's your core. When you climb, it is your core. So obviously having a strong core is so important, particularly as we age. Now, having said that, let's get started. All right, everyone, we're gonna start with a high knee, and I am going to do all the exercises in the standing position, but I will show you the seated version right there on the screen, and you choose which one works for you. Okay, let's speed it up. If you can, or you can keep the slower version. And remember to keep these abdominal muscles pulled back towards your spine. Proper form is very important. Last one. All right, take your break. If you need more time, press pause, you guys, and take a break, and then come right back to this. Next one, we're going to pull the left knee into center. And as you can tell, this is definitely challenging our balance. The supporting leg, okay, the knee is soft. Abdominal muscles pulled in. And when you reach up, you guys, feel that stretch. Five more seconds. Nice work. Excellent. And what we did on the left, we're going to repeat on the right. Get in position, leg back, arms up. Pull that knee in. And as I said at the top of this workout, go at the pace that works for you. You're doing great, you guys. Halfway there. Last one. All right. Next one, we're going to do elbow to knee. Hands behind your head and a bow, okay? An elbow reaches for the opposite knee. You got it. Ten seconds left. Very nice, you guys. 3 powerful exercises to build a strong foundation, which is this core. What I need you to do, okay, that was 1 round. Repeat this 2 more times, okay? If you can do it, repeat it 2 more times. Excellent work, you guys. I am so proud of you, and I know you can feel the difference. So consistency, consistency, consistency is the key. Telling you, if you stay consistent, you do these exercises, your core will thank you. And it will be a reminder each and every time you take a step, you climb a stair, okay? You take a walk. It's going to be a reminder of just how important of having a strong core is. Even reaching, you guys, having a strong core, okay? When you're in the kitchen, you need to reach the cabinet. Having a strong core is so important because, again, it is for our stability and for our balance. So you guys, thank you so very much for being here. Leave in the comments, let us all know that you were here and you are committed. You are committed, okay, to building a stronger body with simple exercises such as this. I love you all, and I'll see you right here real soon. Now for my signature balance check that I do at the end of each of my exercise segments. I love doing this, you guys, because it lets my body know, okay, that it's strong, that it's capable, that it is going to remain active and see me through to wonderful, wonderful years long into my future. All right, you guys, love you, and I'll see you soon.